Hi everyone, welcome back to Almost DIY, your home for ultimate DIY experiences. Today, I'm giving my Ozito electric grass cutter a deep internal clean. If yours has started to clog up or lose a bit of power, this quick maintenance can keep it running like new. First, I made sure the battery was removed for safety. Then I undid the 4 main screws that hold the outer housing together. Keep the screws somewhere safe so they don't get lost. Once the housing was open, you can really see how much stubborn grass builds up inside. Using a small brush, I carefully loosened and swept away all of those packed-in clippings, especially around the motor vents and corners. To get to the control circuit, I gently disconnected 3 plugs: the battery lead, the motor lead, and the one running from the control circuit to the handle switch. Always pull on the connector itself, not the wire, to avoid damage. Next, I lifted out the control circuit board and opened its small housing. A quick brush removed the fine dust and tiny grass particles that can cause overheating or poor contact. After everything was clean and dry, I closed the control circuit housing, reseated the board, and reconnected the 3 plugs. Then I replaced the outer housing and tightened the 4 main screws. With the battery back in place, I gave the grass cutter a quick test, smooth and powerful again. Regular cleaning like this can extend the life of your tools and keep every cut sharp and effortless. Thanks for watching Almost DIY. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more ultimate DIY experiences.